Welcome to Twin Rivers at Meadowville Landing, located in Chester, Virginia. We are so excited to tell you about this new home community. This beautiful community has it all: amazing homes, great amenities, and a fantastic location. With low maintenance living, you can enjoy more free time with your family and friends. HHHunt Homes is excited to offer brand new single family homes from our Clarity collection. These homes combine luxury living with a low maintenance lifestyle. They offer single level living up to 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Gourmet kitchen, spacious primary suites, garage, and outdoor living spaces. This community also offers homeowners an array of amenities. This prestigious riverfront community borders the James River and offers a clubhouse, fitness center, community pool, sidewalks, a river walk, and much more. Just outside of the community, exploration and adventures awaits. The local area offers shopping, dining, breweries, wineries, and more. If you love the outdoors, you are going to love living in Chesterfield County, Virginia. You can kayak the James River or visit one of our many parks, plus downtown is just minutes away. We would love to meet with you and show you this amazing community. Twin Rivers at Meadowville Landing offers beautiful homes, amenities, and amazing location. Visit us today at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, it's how you live that matters.